Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn off high priority notifications for messages on WhatsApp. If you're tired of constant message pop-ups that take over your screen, or you simply want a calmer notification experience, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations appear. This is the place from which we'll access the settings menu. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. Give those a tap. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find a list of options related to how WhatsApp works on your device. Here, choose the Notifications option. This is where you can control all your alert preferences for messages, groups, and calls. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Messages. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Use High Priority Notifications. This feature is what makes message alerts appear at the top of your screen and display previews even when you're using other apps. To turn this off, simply tap the switch next to Use High Priority Notifications. Once you disable it, your WhatsApp messages will still come through, but they'll no longer interrupt you with those high priority pop-ups. This small change can make a big difference if you prefer a cleaner, less distracting phone experience. You'll still see your message notifications in the status bar, but your screen will stay clutter-free while you're doing other things. And that's all it takes. You've successfully turned off high priority notifications for messages on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.